excited because, wait for it, I won another giveaway. I watch a lot of YouTubers, so I guess my luck or my chances are better. I don't know. I don't always enter everybody's giveaway because I do get a lot of the products. So I really don't need them, so I'd rather them give it to another YouTuber or person that watches, a subscriber. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Robin and this is my closet. If you like the content and you like, well, not today what I got because I'm not giving it up and it was just a one-off giveaway, please tap the bell button, please subscribe, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, you know how much I appreciate all of you. So this was from JackieNaturals. She is so beautiful, and she does a lot of hair tutorials. I just don't have the same type of hair. I don't think anything's gonna help this. She does a lot of beauty tutorials. I don't think I've seen her do a clothing box, but she's got a beautiful figure, so I don't know why she doesn't. And she had a contest going, and I won it. And I think she appreciated the fact that I watch her all the time, so the person that won it, it was going to somebody that watches her. So Jackie, thank you so much. I will also link her channel below because you need to watch her. She's amazing. And she put in the box a card to Robin from Jackie. Congrats. And I know this is one of those things. Do you read the card? Do you not read the card on YouTube? But she did thank me, and she put a cactus. Because when I watch videos, I leave cactus, and when people watch mine, I leave cactus. And look at this cute little cactus. A lot of creative YouTubers out there. So I'll read that in private. But this box is just filled with goodies. And of course, I gotta pop them. So let me cut into this because she packaged it really nice and tight. And I do know a few of the products that are in there. Let me see if I could rip into there. Just hold on one moment. Okay, I've like taken over the house of filming. So the poor man is like locked out. He comes in and he's like tiptoeing. He's got work boots on and he's tiptoeing and he's trying to grab the keys. And so this first thing that I got, and I absolutely loved, and look at, she's so sweet. She taped it all up so it wouldn't even open. It's the Brazilian Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. This stuff smells absolutely amazing. So it's going right into the shower. So thank you. And if I remember correctly, she put in the small one. And I have on my couch, I have a little tray where we keep our drinks and stuff when we're watching TV, and I put moisturizers. I have a hand moisturizer and a body moisturizer and a lip moisturizer because at night, that's where we spend most of our time. So, got this one as well. There is just so much stuff in here. I wish I could pick it up and show you. But she sent me the brushes. I know we got these in a BoxyCharm. I tried to clean my brushes. I bought all the cleaners. I bought the little things you scrub. But there's nothing like replacing your brushes with new ones. So thank you, Jackie. Then we have the Lemon Verbena Clay Mask. And now she knows I love my masks. So I will be trying that. And then we got the High Beam Benefit Satiny Pink Complexion Highlighter. And Benefit, of course, is an outstanding brand. So there's the highlighter. I haven't used this type, but my goal this year is to play with more products. So that will definitely happen. Then the Evercalm Day Cream by Ren. Then Avena, is this the water? Thermal spring water. Let's spray on your face. Then we got a little lippy. And this is by, it's Nudies. I think that's, is it the brand? By Nudist. Really pretty color. Sorry, there's so much stuff in here. She's got it everywhere. And then there's the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Shimmer. It's by Tarte. I'm not sure what this is. So if this goes Hydrating Primer. Oh, I've never tried that. Looking forward to that. Then we have Kale Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid, Youth to the People. I'm making the biggest mess here. This is that. Then, yes, there's more. Skin Fix, Redness Recovery. Okay, who doesn't need that? Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow. Oh dear. It's like a blue. Okay, this is like a kid playing with magic markers. This will be all over my face. I'm gonna have to have her show me how to use that. Then we have Clean Sweet Curology, way more than a cleanser. I won't take everything out, otherwise this video will be forever. And Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow. It's a pretty color. And this is by Ciate, and I've been using their is it their blush that we got. Yeah, it's their blush that we got, and I've been using that and loving it. And so this is a powder. And maybe this is what I'm using. I forgot. All the brands sound alike. This is the blush duo, but I don't know if it's the same color. This is the one that I'm actually using, and the container is gorgeous. Probably should have taken all these out of the boxes, but then how much fun would that be? So this is the container, and yes, this looks like the same colors. I don't know, they could be a little bit darker. I think they're a little bit darker that I'm using, but I just love this. And we have Model Company Metallic Eyeshadow Trio and Precision Liquid Eyeliner by e.l.f. Studio. I just have to see the colors. Oh my goodness. Now those are pretty colors. Okay. We're getting there, but there's a palette in here. Jackie. It's the Bad Habit Supernova, and I don't think I ever got this palette. Oh, this is exciting. I promise, this is my last giveaway. I did not win any more giveaways. Wow. Look at those colors. Those are beautiful fall colors. And then there are the mask, anti-frizz sheets. But we got the Wonder Eye Mask, Mineral Bath Salts. We have a Bliss, that's Incredipeel. We have a Charcoal Bubble Mask. Oh, I think I have this one. Black Eye Mask. facial mask beauty scoop. Look at that cute thing. I think that is everything. Oh, liar. And the bag. I was just playing with it to see if it changed. So, oh my God, this is just like incredible. And a lot of the products, believe it or not, I did not have. So Jackie, thank you so much. Please check her out. Again, I'm gonna leave her link below. She is the sweetest person. And then she does her videos occasionally with her adorable son, RJ. He'll pop up every so often. And that child seems so well behaved. So check her out. Tell me what you thought of my great giveaway. You probably won't because I've been winning so many and they're all great. I will post the last, I won one from, oh God, I'm just like drawing a blank. Jamie. Jamie is so cute. I will link that video up above, but I just have so much stuff. So thank you all for watching. As always, have an awesome day.